should I reach out to people that I had reached out to before that had maybe hung up on me, that had maybe said not interested? Yes, absolutely. Should I say, hey, we got disconnected, or you weren't interested before, I'm calling to see if you're interested now? Absolutely not, okay? We as human beings, and this is no disrespect to me, it's no disrespect to you, it's no disrespect to everybody else on this call, but we are way caught up in way too much thinking about what other people think about us. For the most part, other people don't think about us. So they're not going to remember that they hung up on you 6 months ago. And it's not because you're not a memorable person, Alex. It's just that they've got a lot going on in their life. So for us to bring up a negative like that, all we're doing is putting ourselves back in a hole that we don't have to be in there. So don't remind them. Just start off like it was a brand new call. Hey, Alex, Matt Easton here with Easton University. We're connected on LinkedIn. Hey, something came up. I was thinking about you, and I'd love to get your opinion on it. And then just start over with that new language that you've played around with. Does that make sense?
Totally. Thank you. Awesome. Thank you.
Perfect. My name is Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. And if you'll let me coach you, I can show you how to sell more than you've ever imagined without being pushy, without being manipulative. I've been where you're at right now. I know how to help you. I can show you in just a matter of minutes what will take you years of trial and error to learn on your own. I want you to do me and yourself this favor and spend just a minute over at eastonuniversity.com checking out what we've built. Now, if you spend a minute and you decide that our coaching can't help you, it can't help you change everything about your career, everything about your life, no harm, no foul. You can continue to do things the way you're doing them right now. But just imagine, what if you head over to eastonuniversity.com right now and it connects with you? What if it is that simple? Suddenly everything starts to make sense and everything changes for you. Easton University is more than a platform. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it.